Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss home remedies to alleviate diarrhea during pregnancy. Diarrhea can create discomfort, but don't worry as we have some effective natural remedies to help you find relief. During pregnancy, diarrhea can be a common occurrence due to hormonal changes and other factors. It is essential to address this issue promptly and naturally. Home remedies for diarrhea. In pregnancy. Diarrhea during pregnancy can be quite distressing. However, there are several safe and natural remedies that can alleviate this discomfort and restore your digestive system to its healthy state. Remedy 1. Stay hydrated first and foremost. It is crucial to stay hydrated. Diarrhea can lead to dehydration, which can be harmful during pregnancy. Drink plenty of water and fluids like coconut water, herbal teas, and clear broths to maintain your hydration levels. Remedy 2. Brat diet. The brat diet, consisting of bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast, can be beneficial in calming your digestive system. These foods are gentle on the stomach and can help bind loose stools. Remedy 3. Probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that promote a healthy gut. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or taking probiotic supplements can help restore the balance of your intestinal flora and alleviate diarrhea. Remedy 4. Ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries for its digestive properties. Brew some ginger tea or have small amounts of ginger in your meals to reduce inflammation and soothe your upset stomach. Remedy 5. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, or fennel tea can have calming effects on your digestive system. Enjoy a warm cup of herbal tea to ease diarrhea symptoms and relax your stomach muscles. Remember, if diarrhea persists or you experience other concerning symptoms, consult your healthcare provider. These home remedies are meant to provide relief in common cases of diarrhea during pregnancy. We hope these natural remedies help you regain your comfort and enjoy a healthy pregnancy journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Take care and stay healthy.